Friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I'm going to share you another new great DeFi program named Red Shiba, and the website link is redshiba.finance. As you know guys, there have been many scams that come daily and they scam very fast without paying an investment back. But I'm only trying you to share best investment projects where you can buy these tokens and earn great amount of money. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future, but invest at only at your own risk. So when you open this redshiba.finance, you can check Red Shiba now listed on PancakeSwap version 2. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. I will also show you how you can buy. Red Shiba will be released on the basic of Binance Smart Chain platform and fully complete with BEP20. Here you can join their Telegram. Here you can join their Twitter. And when you go down, you can check simply about Red Shiba. What is Red Shiba? Red Shiba is the best for your investment. Red Shiba is a community token and 5% fee for liquidity will be go to an address that the contract creates, and the contract will sell it and add to liquidity automatically. It is the best plan of the Red Shiba idea. Increasing the liquidity pool automatically help the pool grow for the small int pool. And when you go down, you can check Red Shiba team will create a charity with a mission to save the lives of homeless dogs through our programs. You can check all this information here. And when you go down, you can check the roadmap of this site here. Build website, social media, contract development, fair launch at PancakeSwap, giveaway contest, massive marketing, and CGGMC blockfolio, coin hunt application, smart contract audit, partnership and charity. More events will be announced soon, so you may see this. You can check the token distribution from this here, and you can check there is 35% public sale at PancakeSwap, 60% is already burned, and 5% is good for marketing and the team. Name of this token is Red Shiba, type BEP20. The platform is Binance Smart Chain and general release in total quantity is 1 quadrillion. General description, you can check Red Shiba will be released on the basic of Binance Smart Chain platform and fully complete with BEP20. Support on this standard guarantees this compatibility of the token with the third party services, wallet exchanges, listing, etc., and provides easy integration. You can buy this token on PancakeSwap. So now I will show you the contract address of this. Here you can check the contract address, and here you can check balance and BNB value. Here you can check the token tracker Shiba community SHIBW, and here you can check in PewCoin chart. Here total supply is 1 quadrillion, and market capital you can check $87,263, and SHIB WBNB LP BNB holdings you can check 20.65 BNB. And here you can check SHIB community SHIB BNB. You can check the price of this token. Here you can check the chart, it is growing like a rocket, so you may think of investing in this token. And you can check the transaction here. The sellers are less and the buyers are very much, so this is the reason that this token is been increasing. So here you can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can check the SHIB token, and if you want to buy this token, simply connect your wallet from here, MetaMask or Trust Wallet, anything. Like if I want to buy from 1BNB, you can check this much of SHIB token I will get. If you want to buy this token, you can simply buy, you will get down. If you go down, you will get the swap button, you can simply swap. And the slippage you have to do 12% to 9%. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.